Great morning, children. As you know, we are doing a story that is Brave Bubbly, and we have read the story yesterday. I hope you have understood the story. So, children, today we'll start the exercise part of this chapter. So, children, let's start the exercise part of this chapter. So children, exercise A2, circle A and A or B for the correct answer. First you read the sentence like Bubbly saved 6 children from, first is drowning in a river, second is falling in a well. You know that right answer is drowning in a river. You will circle the answer A. And second is the cart with the 6 children on it. How many children in the cart? The 6 children. Roll down the sandy road towards the river. Roll down the sandy slope towards the river. You know that. Roll down the sandy slope towards the river. So you have to circle it. And who helped Bubbly save the children? Only Bubbly's brother helped her save the children. All the people helped Bubbly save the children. You know that. Only Bubbly's brother. So you have to circle the part A. And who wrote about Bubbly's brave deed? A shopkeeper wrote about it in Amar Ujala. A newspaper reporter wrote about it in Amar Ujala. You know that a newspaper reporter wrote about it in Amar Ujala. So children, you have to circle the answer B. Next is match the word in column A with their opposite in column B. Write the correct noun in front of its opposite in column A. Like children, what you have to do in the question, you have to match the opposite. Match the word of column A to the opposite that are given in column B. Like honesty, you will match honesty with the dishonesty and write down dishonesty here. Light with darkness. Victory, defeat. Goodness, badness. Politeness, rudeness. Tidiness, untidiness. And you have to write in the given blank. Okay. Now next I read the following phrases. A sandy slope. The above phrase means a slope which is made up of sand. Sandy slope means a slope which is made up of sand. The adjective sandy is made up of sand plus y. So children, sandy is made up of sand plus y. Now exercise B2 is given here. Make adjective by adding y to the underlined nouns. Then complete the following phrases. What you have to do, here one noun is given here which is underlined. You have to add y with the underlined noun. Like a field which has a lot of grass in it. A dash field. You have grass is underlined noun and you have to add y. Like grassy, grassy. You will write here. A day when there is a strong wind. So wind is underlined noun, or you have to add y with wind. Windy, a windy day. A mountain covered with snow. You will add y with snow, a snowy mountain, like this. Next children, collective noun. Read the following: an army of soldiers, a flock of sheep, a bunch of grapes. Army, flock and bunch are the name of these are the name of a group of person. Like army is a group of person, flock of sheep is a group of animals, and bunch of grape group of things of the same kind. These groups nouns are called collective noun. The name of a group of person, animals, things of same kind are called collective noun. So children, exercise C1 is a complete the sentences with the word from the box. What you have to do, the words are given here. What you have to do, you have to select the appropriate word and write down in the blank. A group of flower is called bouquet. You will write bouquet here. A group of bees is called a swarm. A group of mountain is called a range. A group of lions is called a pride. A group of monkey is called a troop. Group of elephant is called a herd. Okay. Next abstract noun. Read the following. Bubbly is a brave girl. She saved 6 children from drowning. She won a bravery award. Saint Francis was a kind man. He helped everyone. He was known for his kindness. So children, you will see here bravery, kindness are abstract noun. Why? Because they are the names of qualities. Bravery is a quality. It's a boldness, bahuduri. Kindness is also a quality. They are the name of the quality, being thought and ideas. We cannot hear, इसको हम सुन नहीं सकते, touch or see them. We cannot hear, touch or see them. They are ideas in our mind. Bravery and kindness are the idea which we keep in our mind. We cannot hear, touch or see. So it's called abstract noun. So what you have to do in this exercise, underline the abstract noun in the following sentences. Like, we should show kindness to animal, not cruelty. Here kindness and cruelty is a qualities, so you will underline this. Everyone admires Meena for her beauty. Here beauty is a quality, you have to underline it. Children should have the qualities of politeness and truthfulness. Here politeness and truthfulness are the qualities, you have to underline it. Next is, the Indian soldiers fought the war with great courage, sahas. The teacher said, write down the length and breadth of this table. The length and breadth are the qualities of the table. Dev Ram lived in a village in his boyhood. So here is a boyhood is an abstract noun, you have to underline it. Children, next is a book, a hotel, an owl, an umbrella, a European, a unit. So what you have to do, you will see the letter B has a, you know that children, first you know that vowels are A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U are vowel, and you will see ki book, the letter B has a consonant sound. Hotel, H also consonant sound. Owl has a O has a vowel sound. Now where the vowel and vowel sounds comes, we will add an, you know that. Umbrella, U has a vowel sound, so we will add an. The letter E has a consonant sound. European, here की sound आ रही है, it's a consonant sound. Unit, the letter U has a consonant sound. U, here. Umbrella, it's a vowel sound. Unit, U, here, so it's a consonant sound. A is used in if the first sound of the next word is a consonant sound. If the sound is consonant, so you will use a. And an is used if the first sound of the next word is in vowel sound. If the sound is vowel, so you will add an. Like here, fill in the blanks is given here, you have to fill a or an. So children, you will see that vowels A, E, I, O, U, those words are started from the A, E, I, O, U or the vowel sound, you will add an, otherwise you will write A. The kite, K-I-T-E, kite, A. Onion, O is a vowel and vowel sound also, so an onion. Pocket, a pocket. Friend, a friend. X-ray, an X-ray, a की sound आ रही है तो an X-ray. An ice cream. An Englishman, English, E. Map, a map. Eagle, a eagle. University, U is a vowel but sound is of consonant, so we will use a. Here is also you will write, fill in the blanks with a and an. You will see the vowel or vowel sound, and after that you will put a or an according to the word. So children, I hope you have understood the exercises. So children, thank you.